Hi guys, here is how you can reduce CPU temperature on your laptop. We will learn few basic methods. Now go to the Start menu and search for Edit Power Plan. This is the one, open it. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Now go to Processor Power Management and go to Maximum Processor State. Now change this battery percentage between 90 to 100. I will keep it at 90. Again, for plugged in, make it to 90%. If you experience lag on games, then please experiment the percentage accordingly, but keep it between 90 to 100% and apply and OK. This alone should reduce the temperature. After this, again go to the Start menu and search for Performance. Click on Adjust the Appearance and Performance and click on Adjust for the best performance. This will untick everything so the screen may not look that good. So I would like to tick these: animation in the taskbar, so thumbnails instead of icons, and lastly I want smooth edges of screen fonts. After this is done, click on Apply and OK. You might see some changes in the icons, but you will get used to it. And lastly, right click on the taskbar and go to Task Manager. And then go to Startups. Now in here, disable all the apps that you do not want to run in the background or startups. Click here to see the status. For instance, I do not need WhatsApp. I will disable this. I do not need iTunes. And I do not need TouchWiz. So please choose accordingly. Make sure you do not disable the Microsoft Essential apps. With all these simple settings, it will definitely reduce your CPU temperature and as well improve the laptop performance. Thank you very much.